Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. In my hands I have the Casio W-218H and I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on this watch. So let's get started. Currently we are in the standard timekeeping mode, and first of the settings I want to show you is shuffling between your 12 or 24 hour time format. Whilst you are in the standard timekeeping mode, you can press the upper left button. And as you can see, I'm shuffling between 24-hour time format and my 12-hour time format. When your time region is in the PM region, it will indicate over here, since the watch is currently in the 12-hour time format. So by pressing the upper left button in the standard timekeeping mode, you are shuffling your time format between 12 or 24-hour time format. I'm gonna leave it at 24-hour time format. Next up, I'm gonna press the mode button once, twice, 3 times, and the seconds begin to flash, which indicates that we are in the position of setting our watch, and first in a row is setting our seconds value. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset them to 0 by pressing the upper left button. Or you can reset them to 30 if your seconds whilst they are flashing are between 30 and 59. Once we have set our seconds value, I'm gonna press the lower right button and flashing moves on to my hour value. Now, to shuffle my hour value, I'm gonna press the upper left button and I'm shuffling my hour value. Currently in my time zone it's 22 o'clock. And I can also press and hold it to engage fast rotation. So I'm gonna get it to 22 o'clock. Once I've set my hour value, I'm gonna press the lower right button and the flashing moves on to my minutes value. Again, pressing the upper left button, I'm shuffling my minutes value or engaging fast rotation by pressing and holding. In my region, it's 2250, and I'm going to release it and fine-tune it to 2250. Next up, once I've set my minutes value, I'm going to press the mode button over here, and now I'm setting my month value. To shuffle the month value, again press the upper left button to find the corresponding number to your month. So currently it is month of April, and I'm going to leave it at number 4. Next up, again press the lower right button, and now I'm setting my day value. Again, procedure is the same. By pressing the upper left button, you're shuffling or fast rotating by pressing and holding that button. I'm going to get it to 20, since it is April the 20th, and with that, I've set my day value. Next up, again, press the lower right button, and I'm setting my day of the week. By pressing the upper left button, I'm shuffling through the days of the week. So I'm getting to Saturday, which is currently day, and it is corresponding to my date. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna press the lower right button, and we are back at the beginning, ran through the cycle of setting our watch. To implement the settings, simply press the mode button till you hear the beep, and there it is. The seconds have stopped flashing, and the watch is back in the standard timekeeping mode. And that was the tutorial on how to set your watch. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.